put a dirt hole in behind the truck right there. Haven't had a whole lot of luck with these. Really haven't given them a fair chance though, but we're gonna put a peak post set in right here. You know them dogs are traveling down the road, so they're anything out of the ordinary, you know, they stop and pee on. This right here, prime example. Let me grab a trap real quick.
So, like we said before, here's a good trail line that we got coming right off the fence line. We got a nice congregation point right here where you got two roads coming in. So we know there's coyotes coming in here, so like we said, we got two traps coming, a nice scent post. So yeah, we'll just try to give you an idea of how to make one. So
all right, back to you here. Get a little bit of the wax off the fire mechanisms. These you dye and wax these traps. That way they fire good. And these right here, using the Bridger number 2s. Like I said, I'm a Minnesota man, but when you got them in the shed, you might as well put them in the field. They don't catch nothing at the house. So like to go back, you know, if you assume a coyote's running down through here and he stops to hike his leg, you want to catch him with that outside foot. So kind of offset a little bit, maybe go 10 or 12 inches to center of pan, something like that. Ooh. This right here is going to be a little different. I'm going to be real careful, and I'm going to make this nice and pretty, because I'm going to blend this back in. I don't want him to know that this trap is here. I want him to come in here, so get all that junk out of there. I want him to come walking down the road, stop and hike his leg, and get him. So trap bed there, that's never fun. But right there, got a nice trap bed. It's tight to the trap. We'll be able to use our wax dirt sparingly here. It may be tough to make, but well, not tough. It's time consuming to make, but when all the other coyote trappers are sitting at the house when it's freezing and thawing, live action's in the field. Nice rock. This one's going to be fun to pull up in the spring. Oh, wow. Ooh. I got her buried.
just got to make sure you can get her out.
We're going to cheat right there. We're only going to go that deep. I'm not worried about that coming out really. So, see what I'm going to do is take this chain, pound her down in the ground too. Where there's a will, there's a way. There's a good reason why we use pan covers. You don't want anything underneath that pan that's going to prevent it from firing. That's pretty solid there.
What do you got there, Dunn?
Right here's a pan cover. I mean, whatever's prep or whatever you like, but you can use wax, wire. These are little mesh pan covers. I like them pretty well. They never steered me wrong. So. Your little gentleman's not fired off after you get all that work done. Now this right here, you want some good fine stuff. Blend this back in. You don't want him to know that trap is there. You don't want to throw too much stuff on it. Make sure it's fine material. That way it doesn't get hung up in the jaws. But right there,
you can't even see that.
Look all right from up there.
Oh,
right
yeah.
there. It acts like you can't. You know, you're not even gonna know that's there. Get that junk out of the way.
I don't even know that's there.
Little shot of pee on the backing right there. Come check her out tomorrow. See what happens. Till next time, live action.